Let's walk through how to do a cartwheel. First, we're going to be talking about our blocking, which is our arms. We want to make sure that our wrists are directly over our shoulders, our elbows are locked and ready to bear our body weight. We want to make sure we don't have those spaghetti noodle arms or else we're going to fall. So we're going to make sure we're squeezing those arms, keeping them nice and straight above our head. Next, let's talk about your starting position, which is your lunge position. We want to put all of our body weight into that forward leg so we can kick and push off of that front supporting leg. Make sure your pelvis and your hips are facing square in the direction of which you wish to cartwheel. They can be done with open hips, but we prefer to keep them squared. Next, our hand placement is going to always go towards that front leg. So you never want to put your hands away from your front leg. You're going to put them towards the front leg. Now, as you do this, you want to think of a teeter-totter or a seesaw. Your leg is going to be moving at the same time as you go down to place those hands. So you can practice that one step at a time. Now let's go ahead and go for that cartwheel. So we lunge, we cartwheel, and we land with open hips. This will help you transition into more dance moves. Amazing work, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in on this tutorial, and we will see you next time.